Hello, this is Jason again with K2 Holistic Health. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important peptides in your body, Mots-C. First, let's give you a little background to what makes Mots-C so special. Do you remember back in biology class how we were taught that your body has these little mitochondria that are the powerhouses of the cell? The mitochondria are the little power plants that help you create the ATP we use as our energy source to do everything that you do, from running marathons to simply walking to sitting and breathing. On the science side, the mitochondria have these five little protein complexes in the mitochondrial wall. And as electrons go through the five protein complexes, they create an electrochemical gradient that drives the mitochondria to create ATP, which our bodies use for energy. The problem is, these protein complexes can be damaged where the protein complexes start leaking electrons. And when these loose electrons interact with oxygen, they create superoxide radicals. And these superoxide radicals start to damage not just the mitochondria, but tissue and cells throughout your entire body as well. MOTS-C fixes this issue by not just repairing the mitochondria, but it starts a process to help our bodies create entirely new mitochondria. Having both repaired mitochondria and entirely new mitochondria is vital to helping our bodies combat chronic fatigue and chronic illnesses, which are the end result dysfunctional mitochondria. What makes MOTS-C so special is not just the part where you develop this much more energy, with a major study showing MOTS-C increasing ATP production by 40%, which means 40% more energy in your life. But MOTS-C helps correct the very mitochondria dysfunction problem that is one of the cornerstones to virtually every form of chronic illness. This subject is paramount to our health. That our systemic inflammation leads to insulin resistance, which leads to mitochondrial dysfunction, which then leads to virtually all of our human pathology. MOTS-C can lead to reversing diabetes, preventing Alzheimer's progression, reversing mild to moderate dementia, restoring cardiac function in heart failure, fixing metabolic breakdowns, switch your fuel source from burning glucose to burning fat, and even extending lifespan by 20%. We would love to talk to you more about how MOTS-CA can help you reach your health goals. Call us at 402-817-1999 or visit us at www.k2holistichealth.com to schedule a free consultation. As always, we are here to help you move and feel better.